Hey, well, I'm on my way. Going to Jilin City for the Snow and Ice Festival. It's a photography exhibition and going to be taking photos in cold weather, which is going to be pretty crazy. I'm going to have my drone, so I'm going to be flying the drone in cold weather. And I'm going to be testing out a few new products like this Osmo Pocket that I'm using right now. See how it goes. Arriving at the airport now. We are in Guangzhou, the Baiyun Airport, and we're about to get going. Well, it's time to get off the plane. It's almost nighttime, but it's 5 o'clock, so it's weird. It's going to be cold, so I put on my jacket. Makes sense, right? And it looks like we're going out to a bus type thing, so let's see how that goes. Bye-bye. See you. It's cold. It's not as cold as I was expecting. Okay, it's feeling a little colder now. Woo. Yeah, it's cold. Okay. It's not that bad. But it's cold. I can feel it. Look. See it. That's all that matters, right? Bye-bye, plane. Did a good job. Hey everybody, looks like we made it to the hotel in Jilin City. So check this out. Woo. Happy New Year. Good morning, Jilin City. It's so cold today. I guess you could expect that, huh? It's like minus a lot. I'm at the festival now, so you're gonna see here behind me is like the sign that says the festival right there where that guy is. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but and there's this really cool thing here. Let me show you. Look at this. This is great. This is great. Look at this guy. He's cool, right? Yeah. I got people taking my photo, and it's pretty cool. There's Ari, my good pal.
Hi guys.
Fellow photographer.
Okay.
有中文吗？ And look at this. Here's my photo. That's it right there. So we found my picture. The reason why I'm here. Right there. That's it. This is from Shangri-La area, north of Shangri-La in Yunnan. Phalaisa is where I'm taking the photo from. And then that's Kawagarbo, which is a sacred Tibetan mountain that has never been summited. So it's pretty cool. They say that in order to see the peak, because there's a lot of moisture around there, so a lot of times it's difficult to see the peak. So in order to see the peak, you have to be lucky or a good person. So I guess I was lucky that day. Here we are at, oh, can you hear it? I don't know, that wind is pretty strong. There's Ari again. But we are going to another exhibition hall for another something celebration ceremony. This is our third one, so. But it's all fun and games, right? Tomorrow we'll be only taking photos, so we'll be out and about. We're gonna get up at 5:30 in the morning. It'll be super cold then. Yay! Getting ready to go on stage to get my award, my photo.
吉林省文联党组成员、副主席孙凤平，中国摄影金像奖获得者石广智，中国摄影金像奖获得者宋刚林为获得摄影大展佳作证书的作者代表颁发证书，有请。有请各位领导。
All right, we're up early this morning, going to the bitter cold. We're going to go take some photos of the rime, which is permafrost on trees. It's supposed to be really beautiful, really cool. We're not sure if it's gonna be there today, so wish us luck. We didn't have any success this morning, but we're gonna have success today. We're at a ski resort, the Songhua Ski Resort. Hello. And we're gonna go take some photos up here. Should be interesting. You kind of see behind me the actual ski resort, people skiing. It's pretty fun. It's cold, but not so bad. Here we are going up the lift now. Leaving the old resort, heading on up to the top. Hopefully get some good photos. Yeah, pop up the drone, see if that does anything good up there. Check this out. So now I'm on my way to Huadian, which is a city 2 hours south of Jilin City. So I'm hanging out with this guy, hey, and then all these other people behind me, hey. And, but anyway, so it should be pretty fun. It's supposed to snow, so that's good. That actually gives me shots that I'm looking for. Make me happy. See what happens. You'll know it before I do because it's just a few seconds away. All right, you ready for some fun? We're getting out to this little place, and they're going to show us a little something. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, it's pretty cool. They got to use their own watering and snow making system to make this because there's not a lot of snow around, but it's cool. They did a good job, I think. The most authentic experience ever.
你这胸好漂亮哦！光知道乐去了是吧？啊，光乐去了，一瞅媳妇带劲乐。这回我应该这样式的。
哎，唠嗑，唠嗑，咱唠嗑，哎。
好吧。我们都给他比的。
边吃边录呢。
耶！
哇！是白沙湖里，这个是长山，滑的是一江山，那个红薯白的。
I remember when I was in school, we had to dissect a frog. This guy's just gonna go ahead and nail it.
让他上点饮料呗，不喝水喝点饮料啥意思啊？喝饮料是吧？完你这个点着呗，这还在这凉着呢。
All right. Well, it's my turn. Kermit. So,
啊，
Gotta figure out how to do this.
你在这儿吧，不是，那个有事
See
儿
if
那
this
啥
works.
呀？
That
有事儿好有人安排呀。
is the frog I'm taking down. I think you open it up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
我想让他把这加热一下。
This is not right.
这个点着啊，你点着。
This might not end well.
实际是手的，手的，
要不现在可以吃吧？
让它热一下，让它热一下。热。那个这个有点硬啊。
那是籽啊，是籽啊，是。
I don't know.
塑料。
They're eating the whole thing though.
有点长了，对，把它撂就可以了。
这一籽。
如果到春天长的都可以那个吃它，为什么？因为它冬眠一冬天，这一冬天你一个
This is my first experience eating frog.
这不没人照顾，找不着人。
And if I have a say, probably my last.
小心让他到白山再赔。
Well,
坐也吃吧，干活都吃在前面，吃饭在后边。
I didn't shy away from it. It's not horrible.
肉炸完了之后，外面用那个罐头。
I guess it's how it's set up. I don't know.
不是没有咱们自己本地的那个大栅吗，姑娘？
Anyway,
这个好喝。
I think I'm good.
你好，本店就做酸菜蒸饺。
I ate all that. I'm gonna leave that for somebody else. Oh, that's so crazy. It's actually really tender, to be honest with you. The leg is pretty good. I guess that's why they eat frog's legs more than just the rest of it. Frog legs are pretty good.
我打了一下吧。
They got a spice with this too, so it's good that way.